Hello everybody, Andrew from Design Point here. Just want to share a little technique I've been using recently with you guys. Probably good for some parts and maybe not so great for others, but it's basically just another way to remove your part from the bed. You can see here I've got this cool quarantine tool that I'm designing to send out to some of our customers. And you know, the normal removal process, you'd have your flat tool. If you go a little too high on the angle, you nick your bed. If you go too low, you have a chance of nicking your part. So you got to find that perfect 10-15 degree angle. But sometimes, you know, you really want the bottom of your part to be absolutely perfect. So if you get an instance like that, I'm just going to actually flip this, it'll be better on the other side here. But if you get an instance like that, here's another technique you can use. Get a flat anything. I just have a spare part that was extra that I had 3D printed some points, blocky. So it's a good geometry for this. But basically you put it on the, you know, touching your part you're trying to remove. Give it a little whack with a hammer, and now it's been removed without, you know, using the flat tool at all. So now the bottom of this part is, oops, sorry, the bottom of the part is perfect. You've got no nicks on it. So give it a try. The one thing I would say is make sure that when you do it, you kind of keep your hand on the part, or you have something on the left-hand side, some sort of barrier, because if you just hold this and hit it with a hammer, your part will likely go shooting across the room. So just make sure you got your hand on it, or you have something next to you, like maybe do it up against the wall or something, just so if it shoots that, you know, you don't send the thing flying. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. And guys, please feel free to post your own videos like this, any cool tricks and tips, anything you can think of. I'd really love to see what you guys are doing out there. Thanks so much. Appreciate you watching.